And this is why we are the two-time OCAA champions. The final score at the end of this game, Seneca Sting 4, Durham Lures 1.
Who savage is this?
Does anyone teach you this or just say it?
I just say whatever comes to
And
mind.
the fact that no one's ever stopped her, they're like, you know what, she's right. She's not wrong.
Way to twist the knife.
What? I coughed. It was in the mic and it came out like that. My fault.